I'm Kathy and welcome to my channel. Tonight I'm going to make something easy again because I'm all about easy cooking. And a friend of mine, her son-in-law is a chef, and she called me the other day and said, hey, he's starting a business, and part of it is making fresh pasta and breads. And she asked me if I would be interested in taste testing his pasta and his sourdough bread and give my opinion of it. I was like, wow, yes, of course. So tonight we're going to have some fresh pappardelle pasta that he made and a fresh loaf of sourdough bread. So I'm so excited. I'm going to show you how I'm making something really easy. I love seafood, and we have really good seafood around our area. And so I went to our local seafood market and got a pound of shrimp that is caught here locally in the Cape Canaveral area. And I think that will just go really nicely with the pasta and the sourdough bread. And we'll have some salad with that also. Here's some of the fresh pappardelle pasta that this young entrepreneur made, and that looks just yummy. Here's a pound of local shrimp that I peeled and deveined earlier. Again, all about easy. Sweet kale chopped salad in a bag from Aldi's. Great, I love this salad. It's got a nice flavor to it and some crunchy things. I'm going to cook the shrimp in some olive oil and butter. Here's some fresh basil that I picked from my garden. There's some garlic that I'm going to chop up, and look at that amazing loaf of sourdough bread. Doesn't that look really yummy? So I found that when you chop garlic, fresh garlic, peeling can be a pain. I'm sure some of you have found that also. But this, if you haven't seen this in the store, it's kind of a silicone tube, and you'll get it in the cooking stores, maybe even sometimes at like a department store like Marshall's or Macy's or something. I can't remember where I got this one, but it's just a rubber, like, it's not rubber, it's silicone. It's a tube, and after you've taken your garlic and you just cut off the ends and you place it in the tube, let me move these out of the way, and you roll it a little bit like this, and you can hear, and you pull it out, and a lot of times all of this is already taken off. I don't know why I didn't do it this time. Of course not, because I'm filming it, but it did for the other pieces. We'll try it again, but look how easy it came out. Let's do another one. Let's see if it'll work this time. Stick it in there. Kind of press down a little bit while you're rolling it around. And did it, voila. The garlic is all nicely peeled. Alrighty, I've got my pan here. I've got a pot of boiling water that the pappardelle pasta will be boiling and cooking in. I am going to turn on the heat here, get the butter, half a stick of butter and some olive oil, probably about not a half a cup of olive oil, probably a quarter. The butter is melted down, and as you can see, the garlic is cooking in there. And now's the time to put in the shrimp. It's a pound of shrimp. I peeled it and deveined it. I'll pour it in there. going to sprinkle some salt. I'll put in like, ooh, that's too much. Good thing I put it in my hand. And I'll give it a pinch of salt, maybe a couple pinches of salt. I'll get rid of that. And then I've got some white pepper, and I will just sprinkle the white pepper on. Sometimes when I make this type of shrimp, I'll use a white wine, cooking wine in here. Gives it a nice flavor. But tonight I really kind of want to focus more on the fresh pappardelle. I want to be able to really taste that pasta. And you're probably laughing and going, yeah, you're going to taste that pasta with all that garlic and that sauce. But no, I think we will. And just cook up the shrimp a little bit here. I took my basil, my fresh basil, and I chopped that up, and I will sprinkle that on top of the dish after I put this nice mixture here of garlic and butter and oil and the shrimp on top of the pasta. While it's cooking here, I've got a little bit of this lemon juice. And we'll squirt some of this in here. Probably a half a teaspoon. The aroma is so nice. Garlic and lemon and butter. I like to cook with butter. I don't like to use the butter substitutes. Anything in moderation is fine. And butter is just tastes better. It's more natural. I'm not saying go overboard on it, but everything in moderation is good. This is really smelling wonderful. Now I'm going to get the pasta and put it in the water because it's going to be 4 minutes for the pasta to cook, and by that time everything will be done at the same time. So here's the pasta and these nice little rolls that he did, and it looks good. So I'm going to just, I guess, put it right in the pot like that. Oop, I forgot to, I was going to put a little bit of salt in the water. And then put the other one in there. Turn the heat up a little bit because I had it boiling and I turned it down. So we'll turn it back up again. It was still boiling. So you want to make sure you put the pasta in boiling water. Turn the heat down on the shrimp. See, it's starting to get nice and shrimpy pink. If you could smell this, oh my goodness, it smells so good. It's been a while since I've had homemade fresh pasta, and so I'm really looking forward to this, and I'm sure hubby is too. Alright, I'm going to put the shrimp on low because it is done. I want it to keep warm here. And I'm going to go cut up the bread so we can get ready for dinner. Dish That's terrible. Okay. Bleep, 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 bleep. I'm done cooking this fabulous dinner. The shrimp and the garlic and the butter, it all just melds so well together. It's the scampi, I guess that's what they normally call it. And I put it on top of the fresh pappardelle pasta that was given to me by my friend Diane. So hubby and I are looking forward to this wonderful dinner tonight, and the salad. And it was easy. It was really easy. You can do this too. So here's what it looks like. Here's the pasta all dished out. Beautiful pasta with the shrimp scampi on top and the chopped fresh basil, the nice wonderful kale salad, and look at that sourdough bread. Awesome. Oh, this is gonna be so yummy. A glass of wine and dinner is served. So that's it for tonight's dinner. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. I look forward to doing more cooking videos, and I'm coming up with some other ideas too of the things that I like to do, fixing things, craft things, and we'll have fun. So please give me a thumbs up, subscribe below, give me some comments, and let me know what you would like for me to cook. Maybe there's something on your mind that you want to figure out. Is it easy? Is it hard? How can Kathy make it easy? So we'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.